Imagine a police officer stops you and asks, "Do you know why I pulled you over?" Most people answer immediately. But here's the truth. In the United States, you are not legally required to answer this question. And the way you respond can seriously affect your legal rights, even if you did nothing wrong. Today, I'll explain which police questions you can refuse, what you must say, and how to protect yourself legally. Section 1. Why police ask this question. When officers ask, "Do you know why I stopped you?" they're not just making conversation, they are trying to get you to admit guilt voluntarily. If you say things like, "I was speeding," "I didn't see the stop sign," "I only had one drink," you just gave them evidence without a lawyer present. Anything you say can later be used in court, and yes, even casual statements count as admissions. Section 2. Your constitutional right to remain silent. Under the Fifth Amendment of the U.S. Constitution, you have the right to remain silent to avoid self-incrimination. This means you can refuse to answer investigative questions. Silence cannot be legally treated as guilt. You can request a lawyer before answering questions. This right applies during traffic stops, police questioning, detentions, and arrests. But many people accidentally waive this right by talking too much. Section 3. What you must provide. Important. Here's the key difference. You don't have to answer questions, but you must identify yourself in certain situations. During a traffic stop, you are generally required to provide driver's license, vehicle registration, proof of insurance. Refusing to provide identification can lead to legal trouble. So remember, provide documents, not explanations. Section 4. The safe way to respond. If an officer asks, "Do you know why I pulled you over?" a calm and legal response is, "Officer, I prefer not to answer any questions." Or, "I choose to remain silent." Stay polite, stay calm, never argue. You are asserting your rights, not being disrespectful. Section 5. Common mistakes people make. Most people lose legal protection because they try to explain too much, apologize automatically, think honesty will make the officer lenient, keep talking after being nervous. Police are trained to gather information. Even innocent statements can be misunderstood or taken out of context. Remember, talking rarely helps your legal situation. Section 6. Can silence be used against you? Many people fear that staying silent makes them look guilty. Legally, exercising your constitutional rights cannot be used as evidence of guilt. Courts recognize that citizens have the right to avoid self-incrimination. However, you must clearly state that you are invoking your right to remain silent. Simply staying quiet without saying so may create confusion. Section 7. If police keep questioning you. If questioning continues, calmly say, "I am invoking my right to remain silent and I want a lawyer." Once you request a lawyer, officers must generally stop interrogation. Do not argue, do not resist, do not volunteer extra information. Just repeat your statement if necessary. Section 8. Important warning, legal disclaimer. This does not mean you should lie to police, provide fake documents, resist arrest. Always comply with lawful orders. You are protecting your rights, not obstructing justice. Outro. Most people don't get into legal trouble because they're guilty. They get into trouble because they talk too much. Knowing your rights can protect you long before you ever need a lawyer. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more videos about U.S. law, police encounters, and legal rights everyone should know. And remember, you have the right to remain silent. Use it wisely.